Jalapeno Cheddar Salmon Patties are flavorful, full of protein, and made with almond flour over breadcrumbs. They are my answer to our grocery store discontinuing their version, but mine are better, so the joke is on them. I think that you're going to fall in love with them too. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a bowl, add your can of sockeye salmon, then your minced garlic clove, minced shallot, small diced jalapeno, and give everything a stir to incorporate. Add half to 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, fresh black pepper, about a half a teaspoon, 1 to 2 teaspoons of jalapeno or Dijon mustard, and give it another stir to combine the spices. Add 1/3 cup of almond flour, 2 beaten eggs, and give it another stir. Add an ounce of grated aged cheddar, or equal amounts of nutritional yeast, and you guessed it, stir it up like Bob Marley. I wanted a little extra color, so I added about 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, but you could use chives or scallions. I wanted big boys, so these measured at just about over 6 ounces, but could be made into 4 4-ounce patties. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive or canola oil to a skillet over medium-high heat, and place the patties in the skillet. Cook for 5 minutes per side for the large patties, and 4 minutes per side for 4-ounce patties. Then they're ready for you to enjoy. Jalapeno cheddar salmon patties are a delicious way to stay healthy, whether you're following low carb, paleo using the nutritional yeast substitute, or you just want a big old seafood burger that tastes like you'd get at a restaurant. Crispy on the outside and flaky and full of flavor on the inside. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.